art friends, today we are going to draw a spring tree.
Yeah, a funny spring tree, a tree with blossoms. We hope you're going to follow along with us. You need your drawing supplies. You ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first start with drawing our funny face. We're going to draw it right in the middle of our paper, and I'm going to draw a funny face like this. This is the mouth, little W. And then we're going to draw it open. So we can draw the letter U underneath. And then let's draw eyes. I'm going to draw a circle on the left and the same size circle on the right. And then let's draw a smaller circle in the top left of each eye and then color in the big circle, but leave the little circle white. Let's do the same thing over here and color it in. Oh, and I like your eyelashes.
Thank you.
You can even change your funny face any way you want. You could draw the eyes closed, or you could draw the mouth even different. Maybe it's just smiling, a big smile. Okay, now let's draw the trunk. We're going to draw 2 straight lines on each side of the eyes. So I'm going to start over here, and I'm going to draw a straight line that comes down, and then also a straight line coming down on the right side. I like how wide your tree is going to be. The next time I draw my tree, it's going to be that big. Next, we're going to draw the top of our tree. And instead of drawing all the individual leaves, we're just going to draw the general shape of our tree. And we're going to use popcorn lines or even cloud lines, we could call it. Let's start in the middle. I'm going to draw the letter U here. And then let's draw a curve or another popcorn line that connects and then curves up. And then let's do the same thing that matches on the other side. Looks like we're giving our tree some hair. Then we're going to draw the rest of the shape. So this is the inside where the trunk goes into the tree. And then we're going to start here and we're going to draw a curve that comes out. And let's do the same thing. We're going to try to repeat the same on both sides so that our tree is symmetrical, even though most trees aren't. This will make it cute. We're going to draw a smaller line now on each side. This looks like the arms. Then we're going to draw a bigger shape that comes out on each side. And you're probably getting, close to the edge of the paper. That's okay. And then we're going to draw another bigger shape or big curve that comes in. So we're trying to come into the center. And then let's draw a little one. Ooh, you're getting close to the top too. That's okay. You could even go off the page if you want. You don't have to keep it on the page. And then we're going to draw, let's just draw a big one that connects all the way over to the other side. I like our trees. It really does look like hair on our person. Okay, now let's draw the bottom of our tree. We're going to draw the roots. So let's first draw the root coming out to the side. So we drew an S curve, and then we'll draw this S curve coming out to the side over here too. Now let's draw 2 more S curves. I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw it coming out like this, and then start here and draw it matching on the other side. Yeah, and then let's connect them. So we're going to start here, and I'm going to draw the root coming over here, and then we'll do the same thing on this side. And then we can draw another root coming in here, or the other side of the root, coming to the center, and then let's draw the other side, connecting into there. Yeah, that looks awesome. Okay, let's also add more decorations. Let's draw the branches. I'm going to draw a little branch coming into the leaves and from the trunk here. And then let's make it thicker. So I'm going to draw the other side of the branch coming down. Let's add another curve right here for the inside of the leaves. And then we could draw another branch connecting into that one. So I'm going to draw it coming in like that. And in over here on this side. Then we can draw, maybe there's another branch that comes out from this one and connects into the trunk. So we drew it. That was kind of tricky. So we could start here and follow it like this, but then we're going to branch out. So we drew it coming from the trunk this time. Then let's draw a little point on this branch, and then we'll connect it up to the leaves. And we could draw a point on this side and then connect it up to the leaves. We could also give our tree a bow. I think that would be fun. You could add other decorations to your tree. I'm going to draw a circle right here. Oh, you could draw, maybe there's a little hole and a squirrel coming out of the tree. It's our house. We're going to draw 2 lines coming out of the top and then 2 lines coming out of the bottom of that. This is the knot for the bow. And then let's connect the 2 together on each side. And then let's draw the bow wrapping around the tree. Now let's draw the end of the bow. We can draw an upside down V. And then on each side of the V, let's draw another line coming down. And then we can connect the 2 lines with an upside down V to finish it. Now this just looks like a regular tree. We need to turn it into a spring tree and draw the blossoms. Let's draw one right in the middle. We could draw a circle for the center of the flower, and we're going to just draw really simple flower shapes. And then we can go around and draw the petals. Let's add another flower on this side and then one over here to match. We're going to keep the symmetrical design going even with the blossoms. Now let's draw flowers or blossoms in between these 2 flowers. So we'll draw the center, and I'm going to go a lot faster since we're just repeating the same steps. And then I'm going to draw a blossom in between these 2 flowers. Now let's draw another blossom going out on each side. We'll go out further, and then one out here also. And then I'm going to draw another one that's way out here. And then I think I'm going to add one more up here at the top. We did it! We finished drawing our spring tree. It looks really cool, except we're not completely done.
Nope, we still need to color it.
Yes, my favorite part. We are going to fast forward, so remember to pause the video at the end so you can take time to color your drawings. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
We finished drawing and coloring our spring trees, and they turned out so cool, all colored in.
I hope our friends will color their drawings too. You could even add a background.
Yeah, that would complete your drawing. You could add the sky and maybe even a sun. You could also add more spring flowers down here at the bottom. You can pause the video right now to match our same coloring, or you could color your drawings any way you want. Or you could color it differently. We also used our markers to color with, but you could use crayons or colored pencils.
We hope you had fun drawing a spring tree.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. And remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than ours. The most important thing is
To have fun and to practice.
yes, have fun and practice. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.